Hi, I'm Chase.
And I'm Noah.
And we're coming to you from First Robotics Team Code Orange.
Team 3476.
And we'd like to introduce you to our brand new video series about how to use an EV3 robot and how to be on a First LEGO League team.
We hope that we can help coaches, parents, kids, and also kids at home who just want to learn how to use the robot to program and both build it.
We hope you'll join us on this wonderful journey.
Enjoy. So, you may be wondering, why watch our videos?
Well, I have a lot of experience being on an FLL team for many years, and I've also judged a lot of competitions.
I have refereed FLL competitions and have been using LEGO Mindstorms for many years.
Now, some of you still may be wondering, what is FLL?
Well, first off, FLL stands for First LEGO League.
There are many different age groups for FLL.
These are FLL Discover, which is for ages 4 through 6, FLL Explore, ages 6 through 10, and lastly FLL Challenge, which is ages 9 through 16.
Most of our videos will focus on the FLL Challenge. One of the most important parts of FLL is the robot game.
The robot game is centered around you building a robot completely out of Legos and then having it run various missions to score points. The higher difficulty of the mission, the more points you score.
Your robot will be completely autonomous, which means nobody interacts with it once it's released on the field. It will be completely programmed on the computer using a drag and drop program.
An interesting thing about the field to know is that it includes several models built upon it, which are also made out of Legos. These models are how you score points.
Another important part about FLL is the project, where your team is giving a challenge at the beginning of the season, and your team will figure out a problem and then design and build a solution and then present it to the judges.
Another key aspect is the core values in Grace's professionalism. Grace's professionalism focuses on the idea that your fellow competitors are not enemies, but rather your friends.
You are judged on robot game and project, but a lot of your score also has to do with core values, which is how you treat fellow competitors as well as people on your team.
That's why it's always important to remember that FLL isn't just about the game, but these other aspects as well.
In the future, we'll make videos on how to build a good robot,
On how to program the robot,
tips for the robot game,
how to talk to judges,
core values.
and everything else you need to be on a team.
Thank you and have a nice day.